Yesterday, we completed the topic called religious tourism in Tamil Nadu. Today, we move on to the next topic, that is hill stations in Tamil Nadu. What are all the hill stations in our Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu located in southern end of western and eastern ghats, and it is the home for many hill stations. Not only hill station, many living and non-living things were located in our Tamil Nadu. In those hill stations, some of those are very popular. That is Udagamangalam in Ooty, Kodaikanal, Valparai, Yalagiri, Sirumalai, Kalrayan Hills and Palani Hills, Sevroy Hills, and also some of the thick abroad places are given below. Ooty, it was called a Queen of Hills. Ooty is called a Queen of Hills. Erkard, it was called a lake forest. Yelagiri, 14 hairpin bends. It in Yelagiri contains 14 hairpin bends. And then Kodaikanal, it was called a Princess of Hill Station. Ooty was called a Queen of Hill Station and Kodaikanal is called a Princess of Hill Station. Kotagiri, it was called a Green Hills. Vellingiri Hills, it was called a Kailash of South. Next, Kolli Hills, motor-able terrain with 70 hairpin bends. It contains 70 hairpin bends. In Yelagiri, 14 hairpin bends. In Kolli Hills, it contains 70 hairpin bends. Anaimalai Hills, top slip. Meghamalai, high-wavy mountains. Javadi, naturals heaven. It was called a naturals heaven. And the next, waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Mountains and rivers are combined together to form many waterfalls. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu with wonderful natural attracts. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu with wonderful nature will attract the tourists easily. Here there is some famous waterfalls in India. Okkenekal Falls. Okkenekal Falls, it was located in Dharmaburi district. And then Kumbakarai Falls, it was located in Theni district. And Monkey Falls, we all know Monkey Falls is a famous falls in our place. It was located in Coimbatore. Kiliyur Falls, it was situated in nearby Chevroyan Hill ranges of the Eastern Ghats. And then Kortalam Falls, it was located in Tirunelveli district and it is very useful for medical purpose. Agaya Gangai, it was located in Namakkal district. And Suruli Falls, it was located in Theni district. And then wildlife and bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, wildlife sanctuary includes bird sanctuary and national parks also. Tamil Nadu, it is also well known for diverse natural heritage. The total area of Tamil Nadu is approximately 13,58 square feet kilometer. In those 13,58 square kilometer, 17.6% of the land areas will be a forest. Tourists will be attracted by seasonal leaves and flowers, dark greenish areas, forest, etc. After that, flora, the place of preserving both plants and animals in wildlife sanctuary, are famous to every tourist. After that, flora, the place of preserving both plants and animals in the sense wildlife sanctuary, it is the most famous tourist place for everyone. lion, elephant, deer, monkey, biscorn are there in the wildlife sanctuaries. Some of the wildlife sanctuaries are Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, and then Mundandurai Wildlife Sanctuary. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary it was located in Nilgiri district, and then Mundandurai Wildlife Sanctuary was located in Tirunelveli district. Kodiyakkarai Wildlife Sanctuary was located in Nagapattinam. Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary was located in Coimbatore. Kalakkadu Wildlife Sanctuary was located in Tirunelveli district. And then some of the famous bird sanctuaries are first one, Vetangudi Bird Sanctuary located in Sivagangai district. Karaivitis Bird Sanctuary was located in Ariyalur. Vellode Bird Sanctuary was in Erode. Vedandangal, we all know about Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. It was one of the famous one in our Tamil Nadu, and it was located in Kanchipuram district. And then some of the national parks in Tamil Nadu are Gindi National Park in Chennai. Next one, Gulf of Mannar. It was a marine park located in Ramanathapuram. Next, Indira Gandhi National Park in Coimbatore. Next, Mukurthi National Park in Nilgiri, and also Mudumalai National Park in Nilgiri. And then beaches in Tamil Nadu. Being a coastal state in India, Tamil Nadu consists of several beaches. Even though it is a coastal state, being a coastal state in India, Tamil Nadu consists of several beaches. Some of the beaches are world famous tourist spots in Tamil Nadu. A trip to beach is lovely place and ever heaven place with every person, friends, families, with every person. Trip to beach is a lovely place. Some of the famous notable spots are Kovalam Beach. It was in Kanchipuram, and it is like a small fishing village. And Marine Beach in Chennai, Marina Beach. We all know about Marina Beach. It was the second longest urban beach in Tamil Nadu. It was in Tamil Nadu, Marine Beach at Chennai, it was the second longest urban beach. And then Kanyakumari Beach, it looks like a multicolored sand. And Rameshwaram Beach, in this beach it was special thing because in that beach we didn't able to see a wave, so it's called a features of waveless beach. And then Elite Beach in Chennai, it was active in both day and night. Next, Mahabalipuram Beach in Kanchipuram, it was famous for architectural and archaeological. Next, Silver Beach, Kudalur. Water sports is the entertainment. In this Silver Beach, water sports is the very entertainment and very famous for Silver Beach, like adventurous game. Next, Muttukadu Beach in Kanchipuram, it was a calm and shallow. Next, environmental impact of tourism. There is some environmental impact. Quality of environment is very necessary. Environmental quality is a very necessary thing for tourism. Not only in tourism, tourist, for every normal human life, quality of environment is a necessary thing. Tourism creates both positivity and negativity impacts. There is both positivity and negativity impacts. Positivity impacts in the sense, first, to provide direct financial contribution, and then contributions to government revenues, And then to improve the environmental management and planning, have to improve the environmental management and planning. And then to increase the environmental awareness, increasing the environmental awareness, protecting and reservation of environment. These are the positive impacts. And some of the negative impacts are here. It had a three quality. First thing, depletion of natural resources. Next, pollution. And then destruction and alteration of ecosystem. First one, depletion of natural resources. Water resources, local resources, land degradation. And then pollution. We have a lot of pollution. Air pollution, noise pollution, solid waste and littering, sewage. These are come under the polluter. Those things are polluted our environment easily. Then destruction and alteration of ecosystem, air, water, soil. Today we completed the lesson tourism. Today's work, first question, describe the environmental impact of tourism. Describe the environmental impact of tourism. You have to write both positive and negative comments. And then second question, name any 5 beaches in Tamil Nadu. Name any 5 beaches located in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.